Do you want to make this amount of money? I did this just by launching Memecoins. Don't believe me? Keep watching then, because I will show you exactly how to do it. I'll create a meme coin about this dancing rat, a meme that's been trending lately. I will also create a new wallet to start from scratch and show you step by step how easy it is to launch a meme coin and make huge profits in minutes. Maybe you're used to trading meme coins instead of creating them. I used to dedicate myself to that too, but I got tired of losing my money with random shitcoins in situations like this one. So, I did some research and found out about this new method that all the top guys are using. That method is launching meme coins. With this method, you can make 2 times, 3 times, or even 10 times of whatever amount of money you decide to invest. And I can guarantee you that at least 90% of the time, you'll have success. Lots of people think about pump.fun when you talk about launching meme coins, but that's a major problem. If you've been taking a look at this list, you surely noticed something interesting. The amount of coins that get launched here is insane. You can see a new coin popping up every few seconds. Also, you can notice how low the volume of these coins is. It's just not worth investing in a coin here. But there's a solution, and that solution is launching our coins on Raydium, a DEX, where the competition is 10 times lower than pump.fun. The frequency of launches here is way lower. This is because people need to know how to code to launch a coin on Raydium. That's why the majority of projects on this network are bigger. They always hit bigger market caps and higher volumes, while also being exposed to thousands of investors watching this list constantly. So, if we don't know how to code, how can we launch a coin here? That's what I'm about to show you, which lets you launch your coin directly into Raydium. That's insane because now we're able to launch our coin with just a few clicks instead of losing our heads learning how to code. So, to start creating your own meme coin, just click here to connect your wallet and confirm the permission when it asks you. In this step, you just have to add basic information about your coin. For the name, I'll use dancing rat. For the symbol, something simple like rat. Now in the description, add something related to your coin. In this case, something like, the infamous dancing rat meme has its own coin now. Lastly, add the logo for your coin and click next. These are token economics. Don't change these values because they're perfectly fine just like this. We'll need this total supply of 1 billion later, so just click next. Here you can add a creator name and the website where you created the coin so people can look at it in the coin's info. But let me tell you that this is not needed. As you can see here, it charges you a fee of 0.1 Solana, and it's not worth it. I always turn it off and click on skip down here. Here you can add social media for the coin. Remember, we're launching directly into Raydium, and there's always thousands of investors watching that list, so basically you don't need to do any marketing as long as your coin stands out. So just skip this. These are revoke authorities settings. It's really important that you leave them on. If you turn any of these off, nobody will buy your coin. Let me explain with an example. If you disable revoke freeze, then you will be able to stop all trading of your coin. Or if you disable revoke mint, you'll be able to literally print your coin infinitely. Everyone can see if you disabled any of these security checks, so if you end up disabling them, nobody will invest in your coin. Just leave them on and click on launch my token now. Just wait for a bit, and your wallet will pop up. It'll show some standard transaction confirmations. Just click on proceed, confirm, and then click on this check and confirm the transaction. Now your coin is officially launched. You have multiple options here so you can check any info you want about your coin. For example, let's click here to check it on Solscan. As you can see, Solscan shows you that the coin exists. Now that we confirmed that our meme coin is in the network, we can move on to the next step, which is creating the liquidity pool. The coin needs liquidity for people to be able to trade it, so just go back here to Launch Tool and click on Create Liquidity Pool. It will send you to Raydium. Here, make sure to connect your wallet first. Just click up here and connect it. Now we have to add our meme coin as the base token. So click here, go back to Launch Tool, and copy the address of your token. Paste it over here and add the information of your token. For me, the symbol is RAT and the name is Dancing Rat, and just click on Add User Token. Now it shows that you have 1 billion of this coin. That's the supply we have, so just add 900 million since that's the standard for meme coins. Next is adding the quote token. This is the coin that will be used as a pair to trade our meme coin. Just select Solana here. You can max this out. Since you're the first buyer of your coin, you simply can't lose your money. It can only go up from here. Simply lower it a bit to pay for the fees. In this case, I'll go with 0.9 Solana. After this, go down here to fee tier and select 2%. Note that Raydium charges 0.2 Solana to create the liquidity pool, so that's why we lowered our Solana up here. So now everything's ready, just click on Create Liquidity Pool and confirm the transaction. That's it, our token is available for trading now. As you can see, the coin we just created appeared over here on Photon, which means anyone can go there and buy it. Now let me show you how to take a better look at the chart of your coin. For this, we go to dexscreener.com and click on any random coin. After it loads, go back to Launch Tool and copy your token address. And now, go back to DexScreener and paste it on the URL. Just replace the address of the random coin with the address of your own coin and hit enter. And here you have it, the chart of the coin we just created. Now all we have to do is wait until people buy our coin and then claim our profit whenever we want to. Just keep an eye on the liquidity of the coin. You'll see a few buys here, but these are just bots. Every now and then, go to Raydium's portfolio page, click on Standard, and refresh it until you can see your position down here. Here we got our first big buy, going for $168, which is almost 1.2 Solana. After just 6 minutes, we're starting to get some volume, so let's just wait until we have a bit more. Now we got one of $71, almost 0.5 Solana. After 7 minutes, just 1 minute after the last one. We're doing great, let's keep waiting. Okay guys, this is it. We started to get huge amounts of volume. As you can see, we got one for 220 bucks. Now lots of people are selling. A couple more just bought 140 each. This is crazy. That's why you use Raydium. This is the volume we want. Alright guys, a couple minutes have passed and there's not much more going on, so I think it's time to call it a day and take our money. As you can see, we had a huge spike on the market cap. People really went crazy with this one. We got another buy for $28. I think I'll settle with this. So let's just go to Raydium now. Here, remember to refresh the page and connect your wallet. You'll see your position down here. Just click on the minus button. Now set this slider at 100% and it will show you how much of the liquidity you can get. Just click on Remove Liquidity and confirm the transaction. You will get a notification saying that you successfully removed the liquidity. Now let me show you the best part of this process. Click on your wallet and enjoy the huge profit. As you can see, I made almost 2 times what I invested. Remember that you can do this over and over again until you're satisfied. That's how I've been making thousands of dollars daily. Guys, all of this is for educational purposes only. I'm in no way affiliated with Raydium, Launch Tool, Photon, or DexScreener, but I will leave their links in the description. With that said, if you want to literally print money, this is the way. These things never last forever, so go ahead and abuse this method while you can.